how to unpin a particular chat from the pinned section in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the simple steps on how you can unpin a chat on the Microsoft Teams. So if you come across this particular section over the chat, you can see that here are some of the pinned chats which always appear at the top of your chats. So it could contain multiple chats, and you can also move any random chat to the pin chat by simply right clicking onto this and choosing the pin option, and it will be moved here along with this one. So this section always appears at the top. Now if you wish to remove any particular chat from this pinned section, then that is very simple. All you will need to do is simply right click over to that particular chat that you wish to remove from this section, and then from this particular menu choose the unpin button. Once you choose this unpin button, you can see the chat will be moved back to the recents or to the default state. Similarly, you can do so for this, and the pinned section will be gone. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.